Temisa and Bumi are to share 10,000 naira in the ratio 2:3. How much will Temisa take home if she has to pay half of her share as a debt? Now, this is not just a ratio question, but it also involves an additional operation to the answer. The first thing we need to do is to look at the ratios of Temisa and Bumi, the ratio of 2:3. Then we need to calculate Temisa's share, and then we need to remember that the money that Temisa will take home has to be adjusted for the fact that half of that share is to be paid off as a debt. So let's start and let's go through this together. So let's, as usual, Temisa, let's use T for Temisa and B for Bumi. They are to share in the ratio 2:3. The total of the ratios is 5. They are sharing 10,000 naira. So let's start off and look at Temisa's share, which is the important one. It means Temisa is getting 2/5 of 10,000 naira, which should give us 2,000 here and a total of 4,000 naira is Temisa's share. But we are told in the question that how much will Temisa take home if she has to pay half of her share as a debt. So the amount of debt she has to pay will be equal to half of 4,000 naira, which, if we calculate this, is 2,000 naira. So Temisa is paying a debt of 2,000 naira, leaving her with take home of 4,000, which was her share of the original 10,000, minus 2,000, leaving her with 2,000 naira. So again, Temisa and Bumi are sharing 10,000 in the ratio of 2:3. Let's look at all the facts and how we went through this. In the ratio of 2:3, the total ratio 5. It's 10,000 naira, meaning that Temisa's share is 2/5 of 10,000. We calculated that and arrived at 4,000. But the question also tells us that she has to pay half of her share as a debt. So it means that we need to calculate what half of her share is, which ends up being 2,000. And then to get her actual take-home amount, we subtract 2,000 from 4,000 and we get 2,000 naira. So that is the answer to our question.